Welcome, Eastern Gateway Community College students. I'm so glad to be able to have this next week with you. My name is Mary Ann Reilly, and I will be your instructor. You are encouraged every week to make sure that you do read the announcements, my emails, grading notes especially, and when you read an assignment, if you do not have a full amount of clarity with regard to what's required, please always reach out. I'll always be here for you to assist you on this journey. I am really looking forward to spending this time with you. We will be interacting. I look forward to what you will bring to the class. Please bring your own experiences, your knowledge. Remember, we all come from a different place, so we have a lot that we can share. Again, I really appreciate this opportunity. Please go ahead and make sure you peruse the class, and I look forward to our interactions.